If you find all the Monster Jam, I'll give you a special prize. But you gotta help me find the Monster Jam first, okay?
And let you get back in the box.
Let's go find them Monster Jam.
I go give him a hug.
Give him a hug. Oh, you're my favorite deputy. I see a dog.
I try to stay active.
Yep, you see any Monster Jam?
Hey, boy, do you see any Monster Jam?
Yeah, I think I do. Look around here. I think I saw one somewhere. Oh yeah, we did find one. Look at Woody, he's helping us out. Good job.
Is that your
It's
favorite
so
one?
good to see Mom again. I really miss her.
Oh, okay. Alright, so that's one we found. Hey, I think I see one. Right there, it's a school bus.
What's his name, Woody?
Full Academy. That's another one.
Woody, you're a good helper.
Thanks.
If there's one thing I can do, it's get toys to kids.
Exactly. See, he said he was gonna get the toys.
Full toys. It'll be a stretch, but we can make it.
We are gonna make it. See, he said he's gonna help you find all the toys. Thanks, Woody. Any more? Where? Where's one at? How about this way? Go this way. Hey, look, Edward. Go that way. Oh yeah. What do we find? Baby Gravedigger? Let me see. Show me Baby Gravedigger. Let's see Baby Gravedigger. Hi, Baby Gravedigger. A big Gravedigger. All right. There's two more we found. Let's see. See any more? Let's go this way. I think there's.
Yeah. Hi. Will I see me again?
If you find all the monster trucks, I'll give you 2 surprises.
Thanks, Woody.
Yeah, let's go. You see any more monster trucks? That one kind of looks like Bullseye. Look, Edward, this one kind of looks like Bullseye.
Yep, one last video. Look at
All right, we found Rolling Stripes,
that.
Racing Stripes. The leaves are falling out of the tree. That's cool. It's fall time. All right, here's another one. Yeah.
Thank you, Woody.
On to the next one. Let's find another monster truck. Let's go this way. How about... Hey, let's go this way. I think I have a feeling that there's going to be some monster trucks over there. Is he? Is Duke Kaboom crazy? Did we watch Duke Kaboom do the halftime show during football? Oh, we found something? Crush Cycle? Wow, that's one of my favorites. Blue Thunder has a pine cone on top of him. That's silly. We're gonna make it. We're gonna find all these monster trucks and go back home and play with them.
Is this Warcat right?
Do you see one, Edward?
Yeah.
Where? Yeah, there it is. All right, that's another one. Live in the woods.
Yeah.
It's El Toro Loco. Woody thinks there's some back here. Come on, Woody, show us the Monster Jam.
Edward.
Follow me, Edward.
Yeah.
Found one where?
Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hey, who is this? This is one of the new ones we got. Rainbow Blast.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's electric. Hey, guys, we're all in here. We're all in the bag. We want to go home and play.
Don't worry, Cars. We're almost done.
Yeah, Ma.
Who is that? I sat down with him. I like this car. Well, don't worry, I got him. It's Summer Gravedigger. We've almost got all the cars, Edward.
Anytime's a great time for playtime.
You hear that?
Let's saddle up for adventure. Yee-haw!
Yeah. I think we got like 3 left. Max D, Megalodon, and one of the new ones. Who is it? Come on, we're almost done. And then we'll get the mystery prize. Hey, you see anybody? Where? I think I see one, Edward, right there by your feet. It's Max D. I don't see any back here, Edward. Do you? You see some back here? We only got 2 left. Oh, you found one? Who's that? Megalodon. So that means there's only 1 more left.
I bite you.
I'm Woody. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Well, we got 1 more left, and then we'll find the special prize. You found one? The taco truck. I love tacos. And that's it. We found all the trucks. So now that means there's a surprise. You want to buy some tacos? I'll buy some tacos. Now you found all my cars. You ready for the surprise? Thank you so much for finding all my cars for me. Can I have them? Thank you. Now I got a special prize for you. You ready? All right, close your eyes. All right, Woody says, here's your surprise. Yeah, 2 email strips. Thank you for finding my trucks for me, Edward. Yeah, you can open them. Who'd you get? Let's see. You got Fire and Rescue and Jurassic Attack. You got the dinosaur and fire truck. What do you say to the kids watching? Make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye, you.